Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna get ready with me. I'm now getting ready to go to dinner. We are finally in another hotel with my family, with my husband's family. I'm so happy. I'm so excited to see them. It was honestly the best gift ever. Haven't seen them in 5 months, and it is honestly the longest time that we spent apart and haven't seen each other. We were supposed to travel back in March to Maldives. Didn't happen. Coronavirus hit and everybody went on lockdown. Then we were supposed to travel here to Turkey in July, beginning of July. Again, didn't happen. And then we also had to travel to the French Riviera in August, mid-August. Didn't happen. We ended up being here, and I'm just so happy we are reunited. And I honestly don't really have a lot of time to film dedicated videos. That's why I've decided to film this get ready with me video. It's something more laid back, let's say, something more relaxed and easy to film. I'm going to show you all the products that I'm using, and I'm going to show you what I will wear today, and we'll see the final result. But let's begin. So we have this cute little stool in here. It is so nice. So I'm gonna take a sit here and I'll start doing my makeup. I didn't bring a lot of makeup products with me because I knew I'm on vacation and I just don't want to be covered in makeup, and I'm also tanning a lot in here, so I really like how my skin is healing from all the acne and everything, because sun and seawater is just the best treatment and the free treatment for your skin. My skin has cleared up so well. The only thing you can see right now is probably some scarring here and there, but it's healing. And I also got tan, and I feel like this summer my tan looks a lot better than previous years. I really take my skin seriously and I take care of it, and I hydrate it all the time. So let's start with that. After the sun, you definitely need to moisturize your skin. This is what I'm using. This is the Nivea cream, and it's basically the after sun moisture. It is so amazing. It hydrates your skin so well, and that's the reason my skin isn't peeling off or anything. It just looks so good, and I'm just so happy about it. Then I used the night cream over here. I got the Ritual of Namaste. This is by the brand called Rituals. This is such an amazing cream. If you like something thicker, this is the one to go for. And now let's start with the foundation. I didn't bring my favorite Too Faced 3-in-1. What's it called? I think it's called the Hangover 3-in-1. It's the prep and the finishing spray. It is so amazing. I didn't bring it with me because I didn't have enough space, but I'll start with the foundation. I'm now mixing both because I got a little bit darker, so I'm using this one. It's by Tarte. This is called Shape Tape Matte Foundation. This is in color medium golden, and then I'm mixing it together with this Dior Forever. This one is in color 20. I think it's called Beige Clair. So I'm going to add a little bit of this one. And then I'll go with the Dior, just a little bit. And then I just mix the two together, and it's my perfect shade. It is truly my perfect shade. You know, I ordered this Tarte Shape Tape by accident. I didn't know how the color would look like. I ordered it online and it came in and it was so dark for my skin. So I decided to keep it for summer because I knew I would get tanned, and now I get to finally use it. If I get a little bit more tan, I think I won't even have to mix the two together. I'll just be able to use the Tarte one. So I think that's all done. I don't really take a lot of time doing my makeup. I don't want to say I hate doing makeup because I like the way it makes me look afterwards, but I definitely don't like spending too much time on it, and so I try to do it as fast as possible. Sometimes it might not look as flawless as I want it to, but it works. Now I'm going to be using this powder. It is from Dior. It's the same one as the foundation. So this is from the Forever collection, and it is also in color 20, so it is a little bit lighter, but I'm gonna add some bronzer and it will look fine. For now, I think you can definitely see that it's a lot whiter than my skin tone right now, but that's fine. I just need something to set my foundation with, and it helps a lot. Bronzer, the one I'm using is by Guerlain and it's called Terracotta, and this one is in color 3, Natural Brunette, and here is the color. Apply a little bit over here on my cheekbones, a little bit on my nose to make it look thinner and more natural, a little bit on my chin and my forehead. It looks a lot better. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use, this is actually an eyeshadow, it's called Golden Rose. No, this is actually an eyebrow powder. I always thought this was the eyeshadow, but no, this is the eyebrow powder. This one is color 105. I bought this at this drugstore back at home, so I don't even know if I can find it or even link it, and I'm sitting far away from the mirror, so I'm hoping it looks fine in the end. And I also don't really apply a lot of it because I don't like my eyebrows looking too fake and too outlined and too dark. This is just not the look I'm going for. I'm trying to look as natural as I can in a way, but using some makeup. And in my opinion, I have pretty thick eyebrows already, so I don't need to use a lot of product on them. Then I'm gonna use some blush. I got this one, it is from NARS. This is the Free Love Cheap Palette. It is so cute. I really love the colors. The two colors that I use all the time are these two. They're not too bright and they're perfect for my skin color, so I just mix the two together. So as you can see, it's not too much, not too pink. I still really enjoy having some pink cheeks for some reason. I don't know, I think it looks very girly, very flattering, very healthy. And the very last step in my makeup process, not the very last, the pre-last step, is the mascara. The one I'm using is called Damn Girl. It's from Too Faced. This is by far the best mascara I've used. I love it so much. It makes my eyelashes just look so much longer than they actually are. My problem with mascara is that I always get some of it on my eyelids and I just can't help it. It just happens. I try to avoid the very short lashes, but I still get some on my eyelids and it's just so annoying to clean afterwards. As you can see, I'm not even using any eyeliner, any eyeshadows. I didn't even bring any eyeshadows with me because I knew I wasn't going to use them. So I finished the eyelashes off camera, but can you see how long they look? I love it so much. I think it looks so beautiful. This is the complete look. The very last thing would be the lipstick, but I'm gonna do that right before I go. For now, I need to dry my hair, brush it first, but then dry my hair, get dressed, and I'll be ready to go. We have dinner at 9 and it is currently 8:34, so it's fine. I mean, I have enough time. Also, when I go back to Geneva, I'm gonna try this Pilates classes. I think they're called Reformer Pilates, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna go and try. They are with these machines where you get to stretch a lot. We'll see how it goes. Have you ever tried it? The reason I'm decided to go is number one, my back. I think I mentioned it in one of my videos, and I also talked about it on my Insta stories, that I had some back issues and the doctor recommended me to start doing Pilates, and this one also helps you lose some weight. I'm gonna lose some weight and it will also help me heal my back because I don't know what's happening with my back. I don't know what's wrong with it. All the tests came fine, like I don't have anything serious, I didn't have any injuries or stuff like that. Nothing has happened to me. or my back. But I'll try the Pilates classes. I'll see if it actually helps and works. I'm so excited. I already found some courses nearby our house. Let's dry my hair. They have this hair dryer in here, but where's the plug? That's the question. I think I found one. Hair is done, finally. Now we need to go and choose. No, I don't need to choose my outfit because my sister brought me this dress. It was her gift for my birthday and it is so cute. It is so me. I really love the color. It is also linen, so it is so lightweight. It is so breathable. It is perfect for this weather. Today was 38 degrees. It was impossible to breathe outside. It was so hot, but we stayed in the sea almost all the time, so it was fine. How are you guys, by the way? Do you have any plans for summer? Are you getting ready for school? Are you getting your kids ready for school? I just really want to know how you're feeling, how you're doing, how is the situation back in your country. Let me know in the comments down below. We could chat about that. I just really wanted to know how you guys are doing, because I feel like all of my videos are a little bit more structured in a way. I talk a lot about my collections and a lot about my purchases and stuff like that, but I feel like I never really chat with you as a friend, and this is why I've started my YouTube channel, to get more friends, to be able to talk to people from different countries, from different backgrounds, and I just really want to get to know you a little bit better. So yeah, let me know how you're feeling, how is the situation, what are your plans, how are you spending your summer, have you visited any places, have you traveled? I would love to know. I would really love to know that. And now I'm gonna go get the dress and I'll show it to you. I think it is so cute. So here is the dress. I think it is so cute. It is so girly and I needed something like this. I also love that it is very spacious on the inside, so I get to eat a lot without showing my tummy too much. This dress is by, I think it's the Italian dress. It's by a brand called Mijos. So I will try to find it online if they have a website or an Instagram. If you're interested, I will do my best to find this dress, but it is so cute. I love everything about this dress, and I love that it's linen, and I'm just obsessed with it. Now I need to find the right shoes for this dress. I didn't bring a lot of shoes, but I have something in mind. So I think I'm gonna wear these ones. What do you think? I think they will look perfect together. I can't really see myself right now, but I hope it looks fine. I mean, the colors sort of match. I've decided to go for the Christian Dior sandals with the kitten heel. If you watched my previous video, I talked about them and I mentioned how comfy they are. Okay, my husband's texting me. We are meeting in 10 minutes. That's perfect. I'm gonna use some perfume. I only brought 2 perfumes with me, so I've got one from Mental, and I also brought this one from Jo Malone. This one is called Wild Bluebell Cologne, and it smells so nice. I need to put some lipstick on. I need to choose the handbag I will wear, but I think I'm just gonna go with the bobby bag. Why not? By the way, before I put any lipstick on, I always need to hydrate my lips with this lip balm, because most of my lipsticks are like matte lipsticks and I have very dry lips, so I need to use this first, otherwise it's a disaster. So I've got a couple of lipsticks in here. So I brought the Estée Lauder with me. This one is in color Envy, 130 Envy. This is what it looks like. It is such a beautiful color. Then I also have this one. It's from MAC and the color is 649 down to an art. This is what it looks like. It is pretty similar. It's like this beautiful nude color. Here's the comparison between the two. They're not quite the same. I feel like this one is a little bit more rosy and a little bit darker. sometimes I like to mix both together. And the last lipstick I have with me is this one from Hermes. This is the color, so as you can see, all of the colors are pretty much the same. This one is Rose Lipstick number 40, so I'll probably go with this one. So I think I'm all ready to go now. Here's the final makeup look. I didn't do much to my hair. This is the complete look. I need to go grab my bag. Yeah, I'll definitely take the bobby. And so here is the complete outfit: the dress, the shoes, and my bobby bag. Oh my god, I love this look. It looks so cute, and especially with the shoes. Very nice. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.